Hi, this is how you factory reset the majority of settings on most Canon DSLR or mirrorless cameras. This particular camera in question is a Canon EOS 6D Mark II, but the process is basically the same on most similar Canon cameras. Please note that this procedure does not delete any data or format any memory cards in the camera in question. However, and despite that, I strongly recommend and even advise you to remove any memory cards anyway before doing this procedure, just to be on the safe side. Alright, to start off, the camera needs to be set to any of the more manual modes to be able to access the reset option. In this case, I've set it to manual. Then we turn the camera on and use the normal menu Q or navigate buttons to go to the setup menu, the one with the wrench symbol. In here we then find an alternative called Clear All Camera Settings. The name here might differ slightly on different models, but this should be the most common one. To reset all the camera settings to their default state, we then just select the Clear All Camera Settings option, followed by selecting OK. The actual reset process usually only takes a few seconds and then leaves us where we were before initiating the reset process in the first place. Alright, that is actually about that. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.